No fucking way. Oh my god. Wow. Oh yeah. Again. Just had the camera on pause and I'm glad I did. Alright. The REM pod has not gone off like at all since I put it down, but this ball has been the only one lighting up. Oh my god. And Sativa's nowhere near. She's in the bedroom sleeping. Wow, fucking bloody. Again! Oh my god! Alright, I've lost track. This is like maybe 5 or 6, number 7 maybe, I don't know. Alright. EMF's in blinking.
You've been before.
Doing this before? Not until I fucking seen a shadow man. Let me tell you, it's not very pleasant very well.